Hi there, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about mutual funds and give some tips for beginners who are new to the world of investing. Mutual funds can be a great way to start investing, but it can be a little overwhelming when you're just getting started. So, we're going to break it down for you and give you some tips to help you get started. First of all, what is a mutual fund? A mutual fund is a type of investment that pools money from many investors to buy stocks, bonds, or other assets. When you invest in a mutual fund, you own a share of the fund, and your money is managed by a professional investment manager. Now that we know what a mutual fund is, let's talk about some tips for beginners who are new to investing in mutual funds. Tip 1. Define your financial goals. The first thing you should do when you're considering investing in a mutual fund is to define your financial goals. Ask yourself, what are you investing for? Is it for retirement, buying a house, or saving for your child's education? Defining your financial goals will help you choose the right mutual fund that aligns with your objectives. Tip 2. Choose the right type of mutual fund. There are different types of mutual funds that you can invest in. Some mutual funds invest in stocks, while others invest in bonds, real estate, or a combination of these. You need to choose the right type of mutual fund that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Tip 3. Research the mutual fund. Before investing in a mutual fund, you need to do your research. Look at the fund's performance over the last few years, the investment strategy of the fund, and the fees associated with the fund. This information will help you make an informed decision about whether to invest in the fund. Tip 4. Understand the fees. Mutual funds come with fees that you need to be aware of. These fees can eat into your returns over time. Some of the fees you may encounter include expense ratios, transaction fees, and sales loans. Make sure you understand the fees associated with a mutual fund before investing. Tip 5. Diversify your portfolio. One of the golden rules of investing is to diversify your portfolio. Investing in a mix of mutual funds can help reduce your risk and increase your chances of success. Make sure you don't put all your eggs in one basket and diversify your portfolio across different types of mutual funds. Tip 6. Stay the course. Finally, it's essential to stay the course when investing in mutual funds. Mutual funds are a long-term investment, and you shouldn't panic when the market goes up or down. Stick to your financial goals and investment strategy, and don't let short-term fluctuations in the market deter you from your long-term goals. And that's it. Those are our tips for beginners who are new to investing in mutual funds. Remember to define your financial goals, choose the right type of mutual fund, do your research, understand the fees, diversify your portfolio, and stay the course. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel.